At Mullinax Ford of Central Florida, we've always believed that taking care of our customers means investing in what matters most, your experience. 1 year ago, we set out to grow, improve, and build a service and parts facility that truly meets the needs of our community. Today, we're proud to celebrate that progress. Our expanded service center features more bays, upgraded technology, and a smoother flow, all designed to get you in, out, and back on the road faster. With our enhanced parts facility, getting exactly what your Ford needs has never been easier. For us, this isn't just about cars. It's about people. It's about convenience, speed, and the best experience every time you visit. Because taking care of our customers will always come first. Mullinax Ford of Central Florida, built around you.